should I think of it like the types of skills you need to succeed at your job would be almost understanding complex balance sheets, understanding where kind of the value lies in the capital structure, like in terms of what's the valuation of this company, what's safe, where can we align ourselves behind the secured debt and still weather a storm and come out whole. Yeah, interesting. So I guess how would somebody think about developing those skills? I guess banking, obviously, but any other way they could kind of improve that or learn about that?
Banking, and then my word of advice, and this is regardless of whether you want to do something that aligns with or tilts our way from a strategy standpoint, or traditional private equity, or even hedge funds for that matter, is model as much as you can while you're an investment banker analyst. I know different groups are set up differently. I was fortunate in that even though I was at an industry group, we still did a lot of our own M&A and LBO modeling. Other industry groups at my bank while I was there just passed all that stuff off to LevFin or M&A